The 7255G 10-inch single-bevel sliding compound miter saw features a SMU exclusive design delivering a well-balanced saw with a top carry handle at the center of gravity and weighs only 16 kilograms. These features easily provide one-handed portability on and off the job. Accessible controls make it easy to change bevel settings without reaching behind the saw. The integrated expanding workpiece supports large, easy-to-read miter and bevel scales, and detent system provides quick and accurate cuts. The 7255G also has the same cross-cut capacity as a 10-inch miter saw, at 30% lighter weight.